back to my channel, As Seen by Cherie. Today I will be doing the cornbread, and I'm going to be doing the vegetarian Jiffy. As you can see here, it calls for 1 pack of Jiffy vegetarian corn muffin mix, 1 egg, 1/3 cup of milk. I have a egg replacement here. This is my Flaxseed Meal. I found this at Publix. You can also find it at Whole Foods. And then these are the ingredients, and these are the instructions. And I'm getting ready to start it. So it's gonna do 1 tablespoon of my and 3 tablespoons of water. Okay, mix well and let sit for 5 minutes before adding to your recipe. So it's my Jiffy mix, and next I'm going to do 1/3 cup of milk, and I'm add slowly as I stir. So while my flaxseed was sitting, I actually mixed my cornbread mixing, and the flaxseed is pretty thick, as you can see. So I'm trying to mix it in there. Flaxseed is good for your heart. So I have my pot here so it don't stick. I'm using some good old Pam. Alright. Okay, I have them in there, ready to be baked. I will put them on 400 for 15 to 20.